Why is Earth the only habitable planet in the solar system? Is the existence of humans merely a coincidence? Let's begin the story with Earth. Currently, Earth is the only known planet inhabited by life. On this celestial body, there is not only a vast array of flora and fauna, but also intelligent life, humans. Despite calculations based on the Drake equation suggesting the potential existence of tens of thousands of civilizations within the Milky Way galaxy alone, this does not diminish the uniqueness of Earth. As of now, humanity has not discovered any other planets that host intelligent life. It's not an exaggeration to say that Earth's development into its current state involves many coincidences. Without any one of these, human existence might not have been possible. From a human perspective, the conditions necessary for the birth of life include the need for suitable sunlight. The distance between the Sun and Earth is incredibly perfect. If it were slightly closer, Earth might resemble a hellish place like Venus, making it impossible for life to thrive. Conversely, if it were slightly farther away, it might be as cold and desolate as Mars. However, the distance between Earth and the Sun is just right, not too close and not too far. This allows Earth to have an abundance of liquid water, a crucial element for the emergence of life. Another important factor around Earth is our small guardian, the Moon. The Moon's gravity constantly controls Earth's tides and the changing of seasons. Furthermore, the Moon's gravity attracts many meteoroids that would otherwise collide with Earth. It's safe to say that the countless impact craters on the Moon serve as a protective shield for our planet. Aside from the Moon, Earth has an even larger protector, Jupiter. Jupiter, as the largest planet in our solar system, has greater gravitational influence than other planets. This causes most of the small asteroids in the solar system to be drawn towards it. Many of these large asteroids are torn apart by Jupiter, preventing Earth from experiencing frequent asteroid impacts. Furthermore, the location of our entire solar system is ideal as it lies on the outskirts of the Milky Way galaxy. In this region, stars are sparse, cosmic radiation is weak, and there are fewer occurrences of black holes and supernova explosions. This provides a favorable foundation and protection for the emergence of life. Are all these factors just coincidences? In fact, these so-called coincidences are just a perspective from the standpoint of humanity. Moreover, these seemingly unrelated coincidences fundamentally lack any direct connection. If you change your perspective, you'll realize that any one of the 8 major planets is unique. For example, Saturn's rings and Jupiter's storms are distinctive features. Perhaps Earth is just fortunate enough to nurture life and fortunate enough to give rise to humanity. Therefore, we should cherish this unique opportunity and live in the present, as it is the greatest happiness.